Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're hello, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what has helped me so much in getting rid of my hyperpigmentation, dark spots, like something that has actually helped me clear my face like big time. So in this video I'm going to show you what that thing is. So before I go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell beside it. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. So guys, this is it. Can you see? Dudu Osun. So it came like this. Another thing I have is this Dudu Osun, like Dudu Osun. If you have anything like that, spots, patches, or anything, please go get this, grab this for yourself, because I'm a living witness. This is actually my second pack. I told you guys that this is the first one I used, came in this package, like it came here, and I was just taking it one by one, like just exactly like this, 6 of them. I finished it. It just remaining a tiny piece like this. I'll just try and get it. So guys, this is the little piece I have from this, like 6 pieces, but this is the last piece of it. So I had to order again, like I had to get this one again. And let me tell you one thing with Dudu Osun. This is equally African black soap, but this one is different. Some people, this one doesn't work for their skin. I have to be honest with you guys. So I'm not new to this Dudu Osun. I know it's like for ages, because I don't have any skin issues or anything. But of last year, I don't know what's happened. I start getting maybe, I don't know, maybe sometimes when you change cream you might get reaction, and it's hard for it, especially dark marks. It's very hard for it to go out, because apart from that, I'm not like, I don't have any skin issue. Like even when I was back home and here, some people, you know, come to me and like, what cream are you using? So that is to tell you that I don't have that. But of recent, like last year, throughout last year, I discovered that I was getting dark marks, like, you know, but I knew that it wasn't a part of me, and I know that it's gonna go soon, like it's gonna go one day, because I wasn't like chasing it bomber to bomber, like trying to say it's gonna go today, tomorrow. So I was taking my time gradually to figure out what can, you know, actually help me to clear it. So I was like, okay, let me lay my hands on this. But before then, I was using normal black soap, which I showed you in the other video. That one was fine, but this one was a bit harsh on my skin. So whenever I come to YouTube, people will keep talking about Dudu Osun. I'm like, oh, why is it not working for me? Why is it not working for me and all that? So one day I summoned courage and I'm like, you see this Dudu Osun, because you're working for people, you're going to work for me, so I'm going to make it work. So I wet it and apply on my face. I will listen to my body, because I always listen to my skin and see how it goes. If it's not good for my skin, I know instantly. What I did was I applied that on my face and I leave it for like 40 seconds. I rinse it off. The other day I will not allow it to get to that stage like a minute two where it becomes itchy and all that, so I rinse it off. So gradually I keep increasing the time, but up till now I can't carry this for up to 2 minutes. Like highest I can leave this on my face is just like 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. So with that, it has been working. Like, so if you have severe acne or severe hyperpigmentation, try and put it, wet it, put it on your face, and you know, just keep massaging it. Don't leave your face, because if you leave it, you just start feeling that tingling sensation. So just keep scrubbing it like with your hands, you know, for up to how long as your skin can, you know, carry, like, but don't exceed it for up more than a minute, because I don't know for your skin, I'm just talking about mine. I easily react on something. Like if it's something that is a bit harsh, it start my skin will start getting a tingling sensation. So what am I talking about? What I'm talking about is that this is the bomb. Like, this is so good. If you haven't used it, please go and use it. If you have any skin issues, like, this is the bomb. It can help you. If you have another soap that is working for you, you can be using it, but incorporate this. Maybe you can be using this every night, see how it goes. Then you can easily, you know, reduce on the other one you're using, and then use this more. Believe me, your uneven skin or hyperpigmentation or dark spots or marks, like, it's gonna go. But one thing again, it doesn't do magic overnight. It's gonna take time. You're going to leave it about you're going to give it about 4 weeks plus for it to work for you, for you to see significant change on your skin. So having said that, I hope this helps. If there's anything again that you are wondering, you want to ask me, just leave it on the comment section. I'll try to answer you that. So I'm going to say what they wrote inside there. I actually got this from Amazon. That's where I got the first one, and from the same seller as well. So it says tropical natural Dudu Osun black soap. So the ingredients, like what they use to make, is a palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm bush ash, shea butter, water, honey, lemon juice, Osun camwood, aloe vera, lemon juice, and fragrance. So as we know, some of the key ingredients in this is lemon juice and aloe vera and lime juice and shea butter. In fact, all of them is so powerful. Like, what I'm going to show you next is this, which is lemon, because with this it works boom, like you'll see a change. And the lemon juice is equally here, so you see that they incorporate lemon in it, so that makes it work. So shea butter, some people use all raw shea butter to apply on their skin after like a part of their skincare, and it works wonder. I do it too. I have it in my beauty basket. Another thing is honey. People use it to wash their face or as a face mask, and it works absolutely amazing. Another thing is lemon juice. You know, it's still the same. Aloe vera, like I have it as well. Sometimes depending on how I want, I told you guys I incorporate things in my skincare, like things that help to clear skin naturally. Like I don't like anything harsh on my skin. I'm not a fan of skin bleaching, overnight skin whitening. I don't like it, but I like my skin to be smooth, clear, and beautiful. And I like taking it in a natural way rather than, you know, something harsh, because I easily my skin irritates to, so like my skin, you know, is so sensitive to harsh chemicals. So I like going to natural side of the, you know, skincare. Like my skin, I want it to be clear, I want it to be smooth, beautiful, and with all these things I'm showing you on my channel, that's my personal opinion, that's my personal view. I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a professional. This is what has worked for me. So if this has worked for me and you think you might, you know, benefit from it, yeah, why not? That's why I'm sharing it. So these are the things that, you know, the main key ingredients that help in brightening one's face naturally. So this is the one I use now. Although I told you guys I have, because I use another one I use is Macari soap, but this has become my like all-time favorite now. I use the Macari one at least once or 2 times in a week, you know. So another thing that will help you is lemon oil. I told you guys I got this. So this is lemon oil. I think this is the one. This one I finished using this one, and this is the second bottle. It's still remaining somewhere there, but I don't like to my stuff to finish you know, totally before I get another one. The main thing that actually made me to get this one is that when I was researching on Amazon, I saw so many great comments about this. It's really good. So here it says this natural essential oil rejuvenates body energy and improve skin complexion by reducing toxins. Like, this is the main thing, like something that can help and improve your skin complexion. That's all we need, that's all we want, and we do it in a natural way. So this and this work wonders. Like this and this, you know, they work amazing. It can be a bit harsh for some people, so it's advisable to use something like sweet almond oil, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, these carrier oils, to dilute this one first. Any carrier oil you want, or 2 depending on your choice, and apply it on your skin first, then you go with any moisturizer that you use. Believe me, this and this, you'll come back after 4 weeks and come back to this video and say thank you for this. So yeah guys, I'm going to wrap up this video here. If this video helped you in any way, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and tap on the bell icon. This will get you notified and keep you, you know, updated in any of my upload. So thank you so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video.